Hey, Bumblebee, your vocal processors are evidently still, needing attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Transformers the Ride 3D. Please be advised that this ride requires a minimum height requirement of 40 inches, and all riders must be free from heart, abnormal blood pressure, back and neck conditions, as well as motion sickness, dizziness, sensitivity to fog, and stroke effects, fear of enclosed spaces, and any other physical conditions that may be aggravated by this experience. Expecting mothers are also strongly encouraged not to ride. Please remain seated and in an upright position, keeping hands and feet inside the vehicle. Explore and supervise children. Thank you.
The ranks of the opposition pack considerable non-conventional weaponry, all designed to turn you innocent humans into what we on my planet call toast.
General, who is this top operative for exit evacuation?
That would be Autobot E.V.A.C, correct?
You need to scramble E.V.A.C immediately, General. The E.V.A.C the All-Star.
Hold on there, Star Wars. We're down the line.
1030-519. We'll have to react fast to keep the Allspark away from them, because out there in Open City, it's going to be anything goes. I know your recruits don't have much training, but you wouldn't be here if you didn't have courage. And your instincts, well, we're all just going to have to rely on those. And together with my weaponry and hyperspeed moves, hey, Megatron and his Decepticons just won't stand a chance. I mean, right? All that's left now is getting the green light from Optimus, and from you recruits. So think it over while I finish prep. I'm counting on you. I guess so is Earth. Be back out.
Commodore General Admiral Commander Wheelie, monitoring our defenses, which are not holding so well. Here's what I got. I'm picking up Decepticon Ravage, moving his tail through Sector 1030, Sub-Level 9. Sub-Level 8. Sub-Level 7. Oh man, that thing can move. He's headed right for the Allspark!
Recruits, Autobot E.V.A.C has or soon will brief you on his orders to withdraw the Allspark and transport it to safety outside the city. We can no longer guarantee its protection here on base. E.V.A.C has made...
Here, protected audio. Wait until you are seated before putting them on. Keep hands and arms inside your vehicle at all times. Hold on to the lap restraint at all times and remain seated because E.V.A.C's training records do not instill me with the utmost confidence.
Just stick to your script, lady. I really hope you survive this thing.
Goodbye, recruits.
I think you mean good luck.
Goodbye, recruits.
Glad I've got company. Now, put on your glasses. You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble...
Security breach. Level 2. Locked down.
Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right. Watch out! It's Ravage! He's after the Allspark! No! We gotta catch him! Bumblebee, up on the catwalk! Behind you! Got it! Mission to go! Come on, let's get out of this city!
Good work. Autobots, roll on! I got Megatron! Keep going, Decepticons! Destroy them! Into the line, Earth's coming.
Hey, recruits, maybe a little warning for me next time?
Fools! You can't escape Megatron!
Reverse thrusters! Full How do we find a way out of here? Wrong way! We're trapped!
will all perish. Your planet belongs to me.
Take cover! Look, escape route. Wait, something's wrong. It's Devastator. We're in his vortex. We need cover. Hold on. Side swap.
Rookie, they trusted you with this mission?
You got it. Don't touch it. My gun's jammed. Get it. It's him again. Activate battle shields. We're hit.
Humans.
Hold on. Brace yourself. Everybody okay? We've got to find a way down. Optimus!
Cowards rock, heroes fight. Your war is with me.
Optimus!
Protect the Allspark.
Just dropping in.
We're on our own. What do we do?
Beg for mercy. Never.
No more running, recruits. He wants the Allspark? He can have it. Oh no!
E.V.A.C, report in. Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with E.V.A.C anytime.